If you are over the age of 60 and find yourself experiencing persistent fatigue, diminished morning erections, or frequent energy crashes throughout the day, you are not alone. These symptoms are common as men age, but what if I told you that there is a natural, time-honored remedy, one that has been quietly supporting men's vitality for centuries, yet remains largely overlooked by modern medicine? This remedy is a dark, concentrated syrup revered by ancient civilizations and often referred to as liquid gold. Despite its historical significance and proven efficacy, it has faded from mainstream awareness. Many men today invest heavily in supplements, energy drinks, and pharmaceutical enhancers, often without realizing that one of nature's most potent boosters of male vitality is readily available, affordable, and supported by both tradition and emerging scientific evidence. Over the past 14 years in my clinical practice, I have witnessed countless men struggle with declining energy and performance, while this remarkable natural solution remains underutilized. Instead of relying on costly testosterone boosters or synthetic stimulants, men could achieve superior results with this single, nutrient-dense ingredient. Allow me to introduce you to this ancient remedy, concentrated grape molasses, not to be confused with the lighter, processed molasses commonly found in baking aisles. This is a thick, dark syrup produced by slowly reducing fresh grape juice over low heat. This meticulous process, which can take several hours, preserves and intensifies the nutritional profile of the grapes, resulting in a syrup that is exceptionally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural sugars. The slow reduction eliminates excess water, concentrating the beneficial compounds into a potent elixir. What makes this syrup particularly valuable for men over 60 is its unique nutritional composition. It is an excellent source of iron, often containing more iron per serving than most commercial supplements. Iron is essential for optimal energy production and healthy circulation, and research indicates that subclinical iron deficiency is a common yet frequently overlooked contributor to fatigue and poor vascular health in older men. In addition, this syrup is abundant in potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which are critical for hormone synthesis, energy metabolism, and cardiovascular function. The natural sugars provide a rapid source of energy, while the high mineral content ensures that this energy is sustained rather than leading to the crashes associated with refined sugars. Unlike regular sugar or even honey, the mineral-rich profile of concentrated grape molasses supports efficient carbohydrate metabolism, helping to stabilize blood glucose levels and provide steady, reliable energy throughout the day. This is supported by recent studies highlighting the importance of mineral cofactors in glucose utilization and mitochondrial function. It is important to note, however, that the benefits of this syrup depend greatly on its quality, preparation, and timing of consumption. The traditional, thick, nearly black syrup is rarely found in standard supermarkets in the United States, but it is available in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern specialty stores as well as through reputable online sources. If you are unable to locate authentic grape molasses, there are effective alternatives that can deliver similar benefits. For example, a blend of blackstrap molasses and 100% grape juice concentrate can approximate the nutritional density of the traditional syrup. Date syrup combined with pomegranate concentrate or pure maple syrup mixed with dried grape powder are also viable options, each offering a unique spectrum of minerals and antioxidants. For optimal results, I recommend taking 1 tablespoon of the concentrated syrup mixed with warm water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This should be followed by a handful of raw almonds or walnuts. The synergy of rapidly absorbed natural sugars, essential minerals, and healthy fats creates an ideal environment for sustained energy and hormonal support. Timing is crucial. Consuming this mixture 30 minutes before your first meal allows your body to absorb the nutrients most efficiently, supporting energy production and hormone synthesis at the cellular level. There are common pitfalls to avoid. First, do not use processed, light-colored molasses, as these have been stripped of most minerals and offer little benefit beyond simple sugars. Second, avoid taking the syrup with meals or at random times during the day, as this can interfere with nutrient absorption. Third, do not expect immediate results. The body requires time to replenish mineral stores and restore optimal energy metabolism. Consistency is key. Most individuals begin to notice improvements within the first week, with more pronounced benefits emerging after 3 to 4 weeks of daily use. To further enhance the effects of this regimen, I advise supporting practices such as maintaining adequate hydration, engaging in daily light exercise. Even a 20-minute walk can significantly improve circulation and nutrient delivery, and prioritizing quality sleep. Sleep is when the body repairs itself and synthesizes hormones, making it an essential component of any vitality-boosting protocol. Quality is paramount. Seek out the thickest, darkest syrup available, one that is almost black and pours slowly. If using alternatives, choose organic, unsweetened products free from additives and preservatives. Remember, this is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term investment in your health and vitality. The most significant and lasting results are seen in those who incorporate this practice consistently into their daily routine. I challenge you to commit to this protocol for 21 days. Each morning, take your chosen syrup as described and track your energy levels, mood, and overall sense of well-being. After 3 weeks, assess your progress honestly. If you do not experience meaningful improvements, this approach may not be suited to your individual needs. However, if you find, as many of my patients have, that your energy, stamina, and vitality are restored, you will have discovered one of nature's most underappreciated secrets for male health. In closing, I encourage you to embrace this ancient yet scientifically validated approach to revitalizing your energy and well-being. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are those that have stood the test of time, quietly waiting to be rediscovered. 1 tablespoon each morning, taken consistently, may be your pathway to renewed vitality and a more vibrant life. Thank you for your commitment to your health. I am Dr. Samra Turajilic, and I look forward to guiding you on your journey to optimal wellness.